So, everyone, I'm going to be creating this look. Like, very nice. It's like a golden with a little brown. So like a little edgy cat eye. Very pretty. Wait, maybe like that. Yeah, on my other eye. So where did I put my bobby pin? Anyways, and I will just go like this. I'm gonna create. I already applied concealer. I applied Manhattan concealer. And remember to put it down like this in a triangle, little filling. Fill it with your hand glasses. I've applied powder or to set it, and also above my face. No foundation. I don't like foundation. I don't trust foundation. So yeah. So let's get started. First, I'm gonna be starting with with the white eyeshadow. I'm going to take this, I'm going to take my white eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply it over the whole this area. So I'm just going to take some white. Very nice. From my Dior palette. And I'm just going to apply it over. Well, everywhere where you're gonna put eyeshadow. I just need to look at this. Everywhere I'm going to apply eyeshadow. Oh, the other one turned out so nice. So, anyways, continue. When you put the white on, I'm gonna take Woodwind or any golden shimmer color that you like. I'll have this picture, and I'm gonna apply this like over here and make it so quick. So I'm gonna just where's my mirror? My mirror. My mirror. My mirror. And I'm just gonna create that look. I'm basically creating the same thing that I did on the other eye. God damn it. The camera is showing it so terrible. It's basically the same. I'm going to take this and I'm just going to now I'm going to take a clean shade, that one, golden clean, I can't really tell. I'm going to put some on both sides, really nice and rich. I'm going natural light. Oh man, my ass hurts. Sorry, but ow. God damn it. I'm not starting up. I'm sorry, this is so glorious. Like, you guys are watching me and I'm like, God damn it, my ass hurts. I'm so sorry. Okay. I'm so sorry. And I'm just gonna start this from like like the middle and blend it into the golden eyeshadow. The woodwind. I'm gonna blend this cream. I'm gonna blend cream into woodwind. And very blend it out. You can't see anything on the camera, so like. Okay, and last I'm gonna take not this one. Not this one. Not this one. I'm gonna take this one. This brown one. And I'm just gonna pull on it. I'm just gonna and I just put a little darker brown into here, this area. It looks so terrible on camera, but actually it's like, wow, so pretty. Oh my gosh. It actually looks like that, but on camera it shows just like, but actually it's terribly pretty. Lastly, eyeliner. Long. I'm using a grayish black, very natural eyeliner, and I'm going to use white eyeliner. It looks so terrible on camera, but actually it's so nice. So spiky. Cat eye, very cat eye. But it doesn't really look really good on me. Now I'm going to take a mascara and I'm just going to apply that. Now the other eye. Take something that has cream on it and take a flash of mascara off and take all the eyeshadow that is just like too much. Like, too much. Okay. Done, we're not yet done. Yeah, you want with this perfect matte look the best. I'm gonna be first applying Viva Gone Gaga number 2, and this looks like that. Then and I'm going to take my powder. That is my color, and this is a little gloss in it, and I'm just going to put it that much. I'm just gonna apply a little. And you just have your matte lips. This look is good for celebrations, or a great day, or Christmas day. We'll warm you up. Happy summer holidays. And let's bye. Kisses.